Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. The topics for today are explanation of using concatenate function, text function, sort and filter function. Let's start with concatenate function. Concatenate function is used to combine two strings. For example, here I want to combine the first name of employee and the last name of employee. So, the concatenate function is used to combine these two references in one reference. So, let's do that. First of all, I want to add a new column here, insert, and name the field of this column full name. Click here. Now, I want to combine first name with the last name. I use two ways, either use concatenate function or by using and symbol. Let's start with concatenate function. Click on FX. This is concatenate function. OK. So the first reference is D5. The second reference is E5. Okay. The full name here is Jean Ligoy, but there is no space between the first name and last name. So in order to put space between them, I'll go to the formula bar and click here, shift and double quotation, click space and then shift double quotation and write comma and enter or click enter here. So you can see there is a space between the first name and last name. To find the full name of all employees here, put the cursor on the bottom right and double click here. You can see all the full name for all employee. Now when after I finish writing full name, so I don't need the first name and last name. Now I delete it. Now right click and delete. After I delete this column, after delete first name, you can see there is an error here appear, reference error appear. Now click here to see concatenate hashtag reference. It means there is no reference here. Why? Because we delete the column. Now, in order to avoid this problem, I do this step. Return back. Now, I copy this column and paste this column as a value, in order to avoid this problem. Let's start here before we use copy paste here. Click here and then right click here, copy and then paste here. Paste. You have paste special option. Now, paste as a value, when you select paste as a value, here you can see it become here only the value of this cell without any equation, without any formula. Now, I'll do the same way here in my column here. Now, I select all the column. Control C, it means copy, or I can use right click and then copy at the same place, right click and paste as a value. Okay, you can see there is no formula here, it is paste only as a value. Now it's very easy now to delete my column. This is the first column and this is the second column. Now let's go to the text function. Text function is used to convert any value to a text. How? For example, if I have a value for a value or a date or a number, I can change this value to a text. How can I use text function? Equal sign, write the function text. You can see here, convert a value to text in a specific number format. You must select the format of the number that you want to convert it. Now, text. For example, I want to convert this number to, for example, to a currency. So, double quotation, a currency, for example, dollar sign, and then 00.0 and shift, close bracket, enter. So we convert the number 33 to dollar, to currency. Now, here, I want to make this example. Now I want to combine the first name and last name and the date. You know, concatenate function is used only to combine only the string, only the text. So how can I combine this date with the first name and last name? Let's see how can we do that. First of all, go to the here, equal sign to the formula bar, concatenate, open bracket. Now, the first text is Jean, comma, I want to put a space. This is my space. And then double quotation, comma. The second text is Ligoi, and then comma. Now, here I use the text function in order to change the date to text. Now I write here text. Text of what? Of this date and comma. I want to convert what format I use here. So I use format of date. So date contain DD, MM, and year. And then close bracket, enter. Oh, sorry, I'm not, okay, what is the problem here? Oh, sorry, I forget double quotation here. You can see, this is the double quotation, and I forget to put the double quotation here. Now, it's okay now. Now, you can see here, I combine the first name with the last name and with the date. This will be, all of this field will be as a string, as a text, not as a number. Now, if I want to put this equation here, you can write, okay, again, concatenate, and then first text and the second text and the third text. Let's try it this way. It will be accepted or not. I want to check with you. Okay. Okay. No, it is not accepted. Okay. So you must choose text function. Now, let's go to another function which is called the sort function. Sort function. For example, I have this column, copy, paste here. Now, it is very easy to sort ascending or descending. Only select this column and then right click and sort. What do you want to sort? From smallest to largest, largest to smallest. It's easy. I sort this column. But if I want to sort this column, which is this column inside a table, delete. Delete. Okay. Now, if I want to sort this code from smallest to largest or largest to smallest, I must, when I sort this, for example, where is the smallest? The smallest is 13. If I sort only this number at the beginning, so this code is related with all these all the row here. So when I change when I put this number at the beginning, for example 13, it must be all the fields that are related to this number, it must be changed also. So we need to use sort and filter. So I want to sort, for example, this column. Sort from smallest to largest. Dialog box appear. Sort warning. They ask me, what do you want to do? Expand the selection? Do you want to expand selection? Yes, I want to expand selection because what? Because when I want to sort my table here, I want all the related. For example, here 13, it will be the first. All the fields that are related with 13, it must be sorted also. So I told him it's yes, okay. So you can see all the fields that are related with this column, with this number will be changed. Okay, I'll change it to from largest to smallest. This sorted from largest to smallest. From largest to smallest. Okay, another sort warning. Ask me, do you want to expand the selection? Another dialog box appear called sort warning. Do you want to expand the selection? Yes, okay. I want to sort with expand selection from smallest to largest. Now let's go to the filter. What we mean by filter? Now, I have this table. Now contain many employee and departments and contain date and code. For example, I want to filter this table. I want to see only the employee, for example, which are in account department or in IT department, or I want to see all the employee that are in account and IT department. So this is what we mean by filter. So we can go to the filter, sort and filter. No. Oh, sorry, I am select single. I am not select the cell, sorry. I must put the cursor at the table and then sort and filter. Okay. Now this symbol, it means this down arrow ask me, do you want to filter this field, or do you want to filter this field, or this, or this, or this? Now I want to filter the department. I want to see all the employees that are in accounts, only in accounts department. How many employees I have? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 employees. So click here and then delete select all, and I want to see only the employees that are in accounts department. Okay. Now you can see only the employee that are in account department. If you want to delete the filter, click here, clear filter from department. Now, for example, I want to see the employee that are only in, that are whose code greater than, for example, 44. I want to see the employee whose code that are greater than 44. Go there and then go to number filter, and then what I want all the employee that are greater than 44, whose code greater than 44. Yes, greater than 44. Okay. Now the Excel filtered only display only the employee that are greater than 44. Now here is only when I want to filter my table. But for example, I want this table. I want to copy this table in another place or in another sheet. So what should I do? I'll go to the advanced filter. First of all, I want to delete, clear filter from the code. Now also clear the filter. Click on filter and clear the filter. Now I want, for example, to create, to put the filter table in another place. Now, first step, I need to put the fields, copy the field, the name of the field. This is the first step. Copy the name of the field to another place. For example, here, right click and then paste. Now, the second step, what I want to see only the employee who are in department accounts, for example, and IT, accounts and IT. So where is accounts and IT in the under the field department? So I'll go under the field department. Click here, right click, copy and paste here in order to avoid the mistake. Paste. Now, if I want to see all the employees that are in accounts department, put only accounts here. And if you want to see all the employees that are in account department and IT department, you must add here IT. So right click here and copy, paste, right click, paste. Now, after that, put your cursor on the table and then go to the advanced filter. Where's advanced filter? Go to the data and you can see advanced filter. Advanced filter. Now, dialog box appear. This is advanced filter. Action. Filter the list in a place or copy to another location. Yes, I want to copy to another location. Click here. Now, list range. What is your range? My range here. This is my table from G12 from G11 to K21. You can see here my range. This is my range. This is my range. This is my range. This is my table. Now, criteria range. Where is your criteria range? This is my criteria range. Departments only. I want to see all the employees that are in department account and IT. So I select my criteria. This is my criteria. Copy to. Where do you want to copy this filtered? Where do you want to copy? I want to copy here, for example. Okay. Copy to this place and I called him. Okay. Now you can see here. You can see only the employee. This is the filter, copy filtered all employee that are works in department accounts and IT with another copy, not in the same table. Thank you for your listenings.